Hey, my name is Big Ralph. Welcome to the Pendergrass Show. In today's video, I'm gonna let y'all know how I lost $30,000 in 1 month trading stocks through Robinhood. Make sure you pay attention, because what I did, I don't want you to do. You feel what I'm saying? But look, before we even get started with the video, man, first of all, man, first. Make sure y'all hit that like button and make sure y'all hit that red button that say subscribe. You getting mad at me because I'm trying to hit 3K. Alright, anyway, it go like this. So a lot of y'all might be asking yourself like, damn, boy, like, we lost $30,000 in the trading stock. Yeah, look, it's just right here, look. You see that? You see what that say, right? That's like in 1 month. The thing is, bro, this is how it happened, right? So, back in 2020 was a very, very crazy year for me. I mean, it was a crazy year for a lot of people. You know, the pandemic had just hit. You couldn't go inside certain stores and everything like that. But I wasn't really affected by the pandemic because I was already up. You get what I'm saying? Like, I already had about like 70, 80 racks and I was vibing, right? So in 2020, January 1st, my car had got broken into, right? They took a lot of stuff. I think I lost like, I was at the Apple store on Galleria Mall in Fort Lauderdale. They broke in my car. They stole a whole bunch of iPhones. The L was like, it was about like 30,000, right? I lost $30,000. Around like August, I had got introduced to stocks. But the whole thing about it was this, right? When I first got introduced to stocks, I already had told myself I was gonna go slow, right? Because anytime you go into something, I feel like people, they shouldn't like go head first just because you think you can make a lot of money. Cause 9 times out of 10, you most likely gonna lose, right? So I told myself, you know, shit, I'll start trading with $1,000, right? I think it was around August, and I was sleeping at this girl crib, and how like her whole apartment was set up, I couldn't park my car inside the apartment unit because they would tow the car, right? So one day, right, I was sleeping at her crib like all day. It was like 6 p.m., right? So it was 6 p.m. when I was walking to my car, because look, if you remember what I just said, like I couldn't park. Everybody who was guests, they couldn't leave their car past 11 p.m. because it would get towed. So when I was walking to my car, right, bro, my car, like the hood was up, right? So imagine, right, you coming out a crib or whatever, you coming out and your car, like the hood is just up. So I'm like, yo, is my hood up? So I was like, damn. So I started running to my whip, right? Dog, these people did me nasty, bro. They broke into the car. They took my hood off. They took the lights off. Everything, right? So I was like, damn, bro, what the hell? So I told her, right? Everybody thought she set me up and this and that, whatever. But she ain't set me up, bro. I just was tripping, bro. I still was leaving shit in the whip. And I ain't supposed to do that, bro. So that's all on me. So she was telling me, she was like, don't worry. We gonna make it back in the stock market. That's the worst thing that she could have ever told me, right? So first day. Because listen, I had, like I said, I put $1,000 into Robinhood. But I didn't trade anything. I just put $1,000 into it, right? So I started a day trade, right? First time ever day trading, right? I did a call with Apple. A call is basically, if you trade in the options, a call basically means when you decide a stock go up, and a put is basically you decide if the stock will go down. So I did a call with Apple, right? I had made $330 in 30 minutes. At that moment, that one specific time, I was like, F the phone game. Yeah, I'm trying not to cuss, you feel me? I just got monetized, so, you know, Big Rafi gon', you know, try to not cuss that much. But I was like, man, yo, listen, bro, forget the phone game. I don't want to do the phone game no more, bro. Yo, I was on the bed, bro. Bro, I was on the bed like this trading stocks, bro. And look, I had made $330 in 30 minutes. And she was telling me, she was like, you ain't gonna pull out. I was like, nah, I'm gonna keep going. So that 330 turned into minus 180, and then minus 180 turned to like minus like 300. So at that moment, my portfolio was like at $700, right? So I was like, damn, right? So as this is happening, I'm like, damn, bro, this is kind of fire. For some strange reason, I kept telling myself that I needed unlimited day trades, right? Because look, Robinhood is a margin account. A margin account is money that is like borrowed, right? And when you trading, if you're trading on a margin account, you can only use 3 day trades a week. The only way to get unlimited day trades is two things, right? You need to have $25,000, at least $25,000 into Robinhood or any margin account or broker account you use, or you can just use a cash account. But at that time, I wasn't educated, bro. I didn't even know that you can use like apps like Thinkorswim or E-Trade. I was just so confused, and I was just so chasing the money that I didn't even know these things, right? So I kept telling myself, oh, bro, I need unlimited day trades. I need unlimited day trades. I need unlimited day trades. And little we know, I was like, all right, I'm going to just throw 25 racks in that shit, bro. So me, an amateur at stocks, I don't know about stop loss ratios, how to cut losses. It's a whole bunch of stuff I don't know. And that was like very, very ignorant of me to just throw 25 racks into something I don't even know about, bro. Even though you could make a lot of money into the stock market, but if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to lose. So that's exactly what I did. So I threw 25 racks. I went to the bank. Look, I'll show you right there. Look. You see that? Bro, I was crazy, bro. I ain't care. I was like, man, I want to make some bread because it gave me like, bro, it did something to my mind, bro. Like, I had never made that money. I didn't even know you can make money not even moving. I really made money without even moving, and it got me addicted, bro. The stock market is like bro, I'm telling you this right now. The stock market can be a curse to you, bro, if you don't know how to control your emotion. That's another thing too, but I'm gonna get on to that. So I went to the bank and I deposited 25 racks, right? 25 racks. I thought I knew what I was doing. I would win some, lose some, win some, lose some, win some, lose some. And then I remember it was one time I got into a bad call, bro. My account went to it went from 25 all the way to like 18. I kept telling myself like, damn. What I would do when I would like lose money and it would go back to like under 25,000, I would take more money and put it in so my portfolio could still be over 25,000. That's the worst thing that you could do, bro. Like, instead of trying to make money so fast, what you should do is just educate yourself, bro. Only put money into the stock market that you're okay with losing, because at the end of the day, if you throw money into the stock market, it's kind of gone. You gotta look at it like, this is money that I can lose. You get what I'm saying? Don't try to chase the money, and that's what I was doing, and that's the reason why I lost like $30,000. Like, oh, as to be honest with you, I lost way more than 30,000. In the stock market, I lost like 38 racks. 38 racks. I lost $30,000 in 1 month, but I really lost an additional like $38,000, bro. I put probably even more than that. I still got some money in Thinkorswim. I got money in E-Trade. I think I lost about $39,000 into the stock market, and that's a big L. The crazy thing about this, I had joined Aristotle Investments. Like he got a Discord. It's called Honey Dripping. He followed, bro. He fought. If you want to know anything about stocks and stuff like that, bro, join Aristotle. I was in Aristotle group for like 4 months. I got out of it, and it's a reason why I got out of it. Aristotle he fought. But it doesn't matter for me personally. If you don't know how to manage your emotions, like if you don't know how to like cut losses and don't care about the L and just move on, you never gonna succeed in the stock market. That's why now what I do, I just do like long term. I don't really do day trades, because me on a personal level, I have not mastered my emotions. Listen, I used to win plays with Aristotle. I used to do calls all the time. Like, oh, he in, okay, I'm in. But it's like, when you see the money going up and the money going down, it's like it does something. You have to really, really be strong. So that's what I'm trying to work on right now. I would be doing calls and I could never really seem to understand it. So I eventually got out of his group. I had transferred all my money. When I left Robinhood, I had ended my account with like only 8,000. So I put from Robinhood to I think it's Thinkorswim. I'm in Thinkorswim because Thinkorswim is a cash account. So a cash account is basically, you can trade unlimited, but it's only the amount of money that you got inside your portfolio. So if you got 10,000, you only could trade 10,000, and then you gotta wait till the next day. So I got into Thinkorswim. I still started to lose money there, here and there, and then eventually I just kind of stopped trading stocks altogether. Like I said, I really only invest in like shares and stuff like that. You feel me? Because I never really got that under control, bro. I never could manage my emotions, bro. And still to this day, I'm probably going to join Aristotle group again, because now I would just tell myself like this: I'm only trying to make 200, or like I'm only trying to make 150. Because a lot of people, when they see people like Aristotle, or it could be like somebody else, it's a dude, I forgot his name, bro. His name is Ricky Gutierrez, I think that's his name. He got over 1 million. I subscribe to his YouTube channel, and I follow him on Instagram. He fought too, bro. But when people see people like them, they think they just got like that. No, bro, they've been doing that for years. They've been doing that for years. You get what I'm saying? It's a lot of people that do stocks and trade stocks and invest and everything like that. It's okay to be inspired by these people, but if you think that you're going to make as much money as them, you sadly mistaken, bro. Like you cannot compare yourself to someone who's been doing something that you are interested in for years, and you think you're going to make money like this person, bro. Maybe you can, but 9 times out of 10, bro, no. A lot of these people lost. It's got people that be losing $1 million a month trading stocks. You get what I'm saying? $50,000 in a day. It's always a bigger L. It's always somebody that has been through something more. I would just say, if you do want to get into the stock market, bro, grab a mentor. You know what I'm saying? Grab somebody that you can learn from. Number 2, learn how to control your emotions, right? And don't chase money, bro. Don't chase like the big gains. Be content with little gains, because little gains eventually is going to evolve to bigger gains. So if you always trying to chase a big gain, like, oh, I'm trying to make 10, you're going to eventually never have a stable line. It's always going to be like a roller coaster, right? But if you can just manage to be like, you know what, bro, I'm gonna just try to make $150. Every time I trade stocks, I'm gonna just try to make $150. And then if you can make more, but just remember, just say for instance, right, you end up making $500 for the day. Okay, you made $500, but your goal is $150. Once you hit your goal, cut that bitch off. And then if it's like, if you can make more money with it, then make more money with it. That's the video. I ain't trying to make the video that long. That's how I lost $30,000 into the stock market. I hope you can learn something from this video. All my videos not scripted. I just write a topic what I'm gonna talk about, and I just go, cause that's just me. If you like me as a person, hit the subscribe button. It's free. Hit the like button. It's free. I'm doing something better, man. Like this is kind of the first video of the year for 2023. I thank for all the people that's been rocking with me ever since I started a YouTube and started my little journey. You know, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm trying to become a millionaire. So I hope I can inspire you to do what I'm doing. I ain't rich. I ain't poor. I'm just trying to be better than I was tomorrow, and that's what it is. Let's go, mama. I love you.